In today's video, I'm showing you how to get premium on Roblox or how to get Roblox premium. It's a super easy tutorial once you understand all the steps, and I'm showing you exactly all of those in today's video. So if you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button right now. I really do appreciate it. And also go and leave a like as well. It just helps this video get to more people. So as you can see, currently I'm just playing a bit of speedrun. But in just a minute, I'll be showing you how to get premium. So the first thing you want to do is come to roblox.com/home like usual. And as you can see, currently I don't have premium. So identify if you have premium or not. All you need to do is make sure you got, say, it says get premium here, and you may have a logo up here if you do have premium. Quickly, before I show you how to get premium, I want to go over a few of the sort of advantages of having it. So to view these, you click get premium. Now, obviously the major advantage is you actually get Robux every single month. So you get 450 per month, depending on the package you go for. Now, this is in pounds, but you may have it in any currency you are in the country of. So maybe in USD, it could be in many different currencies. You get a few benefits as well, like I said before. So you get access to premium games and some items, but also probably the main thing is why you want it is the ability to trade. So you can trade items. You can trade items in Roblox and obviously level up your items, make Robux by doing this. And yeah, there are so many advantages to it, as well as I believe there are sort of other features within groups you can take advantages of, like sending Robux out. So yeah, it's a really cool feature, and it's sort of a must-have if you want to make the most out of Roblox, really, and it allows you to get more out of the game. So to actually go and purchase it, as you can see, we're now on this page, click Get Premium, and we've now got these three options here. Now essentially the only difference is the amount of Robux you get. So as you can see, for £4.59, which is $5, you get 450 Robux a month. For around $10 you get 1,000, and I think this is like $20, maybe a bit more, you get 2,200. So personally, I'm happy with getting 450 Robux a month. And also another cool advantage is you get 10% more Robux when you buy Robux, which is cool. So if you're buying Robux regularly, you can actually get a bit more for your money. So yeah, that's really cool. And let's go and buy this. So all you need to do is click subscribe now, and you get these options here. So what I do recommend is you can actually go to a shop and get a Roblox gift card. So you can just click there, click continue, and then you can enter a pin. So currently I've got 0 credit, but if I did have, I could go and use that credit. So actually I'm gonna use a Roblox card. So I'm simply gonna click here and then click continue. And then I can go and enter my pin, which I've copy and pasted, which is here. Do not try and use it because I've already redeemed it. Click redeem. It'll take a minute, and as you can see, I've got to do some verification. So let me go and do this quickly. And as you can see, I've now got $10 worth of Roblox credit, and all I'm going to do is click submit order, and I should now have Roblox Premium. As you can see, please allow up to 5 minutes for the upgrades or changes you purchased to be applied to your account. So I'm going to just go back and click home, and hopefully will update. As you can see, boom, I've now got the Roblox Premium logo there, and this is now changed to Premium, and I've also got the extra 450 Robux. So that is a very simple tutorial. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please go down below, hit the like button, subscribe for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Have an awesome day. Peace.